Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Lloyds Bank app not working. So if your Lloyds Bank app is not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, open your Play Store. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Lloyds Bank app. Tap on search button. Find the Lloyds Bank app and simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see option for uninstall and update. Since my app is already updated, I can see open option instead of update option. But if you can see update option, all you have to do is tap on it. And after you tap on the update option, your app will be updated. So the next thing that you have to do is go to settings. After the settings is opened, you can see several options over here. All you have to do is go to the storage option, simply tap on the storage option. Now, after you're led to this interface, all you have to do is tap on the apps option. Now, you need to search for Lloyds Bank app. After you find Lloyds Bank app, all you have to do is tap on it. Now, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here, you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the clear cache option. Since my cache is already cleared, you can see over here my clear cache option is not enabled. But if your clear cache option is enabled, simply tap on it and you'll be able to clear the cache of your app. After you update your app and clear the cache of your app must start working now. So that is how you fix Lloyds Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.